Do you also want to add your Mailchimp subscribers after receiving a form submission? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, and in today's video we are going to learn how to add subscriber to Mailchimp automatically, and I have created this automation by using Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation tool that integrates different applications and start automating your work. So now as soon as I will receive a new form submission over my type form, I am going to create a subscriber over Mailchimp. So if you also want to create this automation for your own business too, then let me take it towards my screen. So welcome to my screen, and now let me show you how you can automatically add subscriber to Mailchimp account. So for that I have already built an automation using Pabbly Connect. So now let me show you how this automation is going to work. So for that let's move on towards my type form, from where I'm going to receive a new lead providing my first name as Smart, last name as user, email as smart04@gmail.com. And now I am going to enter my phone number. So here I have provided my phone number. Now I am going to add my city as Bhopal, and now I am going to submit my form, and here you can see my form has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Mailchimp account to check whether a new contact or new subscriber is added over there or not. So here I'm landed to my Mailchimp account, where I am going to refresh this page, and here you can see I'm successfully receiving the same lead which I have recently received from my type form, and here you can see all its details, that is first name Smart, last name user, email address that is smart04@gmail.com, and the same mobile numbers. So now you have seen that within few seconds my type form lead is successfully added to my Mailchimp account. Now let me show you how you can create this automation for your own business too. And if you like this automation and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I have bought an amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this coupon code STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy discounts on yearly and lifetime access plans of Pabbly. So this is your chance to get instant savings and take your business to the next level with the help of automation. So what are you waiting for? Use this coupon code and start automating your whole business. Now let me show you how this automation is going to be created. So for that you have to access Pabbly Connect. So open the new tab and type its URL, that is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will get two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, then you can simply select this sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, then you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and using Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in, and once you sign up your account, you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page, where I am going to access this Pabbly Connect app, as I am going to create an integration. And here we are landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect, where you can see these are the folders I have created, where I have created many automations by using different applications. Now if you want to create your own folder, then you can just click over this create a new folder button, and here you have to provide the folder name, and you can even select the parent folder for better organization. And now at last you simply have to click over this create button, and now I am going to create a workflow. So for that we just have to click over this create workflow button, and here we are getting two options, that is create from scratch and create using AI. So if you want to create your workflow from scratch, then you can select this option of create from scratch, and if you want to take the help of AI for creating your workflow, then you can select this option of create using AI. But I am going to create my workflow from scratch, so here I am going to select it, and now we are getting this option for selecting the workflow builder. So here we are getting two workflow builder, that is beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible, and another workflow builder we are getting is classic, which will provide you stable and familiar approach. So here I am going to use this newly launched workflow builder beta. So for that you simply have to click over this select button, and here we are getting this dialog box, which is asking me to enter my workflow name. So now let's provide a name to my workflow here. So here I am providing it the name add subscriber to Mailchimp automatically, and now I am going to select my folder as automation. Now let's click over this create button, and here we are landed to our workflow page, where you might see this option of adding the trigger. Now you might be thinking, what is this trigger? So triggers are first application or the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case, I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new lead over my type form. So here I'm going to select my trigger app as type form. So now let's search for it, and here you can see that I'm getting my application. So I'm going to select it. Now I'm going to select my app event as new entry. Now let's click over this connect button, and here for building a new connection, you just have to click over this connect with type form button, and here you have to allow the access. So I'm going to just accept it as my data is safe with Pabbly, and here you can see my connection has been built in so smoothly, and we are getting this field for selecting the form. So on my type form account, I have created some of the forms. So from here I'm going to select this form, that is lead form. So from this top down I'm going to select my form. Now I'm going to select my response format as simple so that I can get the response in simple format. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request button, and here you can see it is waiting for the webhook response. Now for providing the webhook response, we have to do the test submission, means we have to receive a new lead over our type form. So now let's move on towards my type form. So here I am getting my lead form. So I am going to fill it again, providing my first name as demo, last name as user, email as demo01@gmail.com. So here I have added it. Now I am going to add my phone number. So here I have added my phone number as well. Now let's add the city, that is Bhopal, and afterwards I am going to just submit this form, and here you can see my form has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether my Pabbly Connect is fetching the response of the type form or not. So here you can see 7 seconds ago we have received this response, that is response A, and this response consists of all the fields which we have recently filled, and now this shows that we have successfully integrated our trigger app, and now we have to add this subscriber to our Mailchimp account. So for that we just have to add our action app, that is Mailchimp. So now we just have to click over this add new action step button, and here I'm going to search for my action application. So here you can see I'm getting this application, so I'm going to select it. Now I'm going to select my app event as add new member with custom field. Now let's click over this connect button, and here we are landed to the connection page, where for building a new connection you just have to select this button of add new connection, and here it is asking me to enter the token and the data center. So now for getting these details we just have to move toward Mailchimp account. So here I'm landed to my Mailchimp account, where I'm going to select the profile. So here I have selected it, and now we just have to select this option of extras. So here I have selected it, and now from here I'm going to select the API keys, and here I'm landed to this page where you can see the previously created API key in my account, and now for adding a new one we just have to click over this create a key. So I'm going to provide the API key name as new type form subscriber. So here I have provided the name. Now let's click over this generate key, and here you can see our key has been successfully generated. So now let's copy it and paste it over our Pabbly Connect. So here I have provided the token, and now for getting the data center let's move on towards my Mailchimp account again, and here on the search bar you can see US6, which is the data center of my Mailchimp account, which I am going to provide to my Pabbly Connect. So here I am going to enter my data center. Now let's click over the save button, and here you can see my connection has been built in so smoothly, and we are getting these fields. So the first field we are getting is for selecting the audience list. So from this drop down you can select your audience list created in your Mailchimp account, and now it is asking me to enter the email address. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually enter the email address of my new lead, but no, I'm going to perform mapping, which is the real magic of Pabbly Connect. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map the email address from the response which I'm receiving from type form, as this is my previous application, and the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select this slash symbol, and here we are getting our previous application. So from the response of type form I'm going to map the email address. So now let's search for the email, and here you can see I'm getting the email which I'm going to map, and now we are getting these fields which are not necessary, but I'm going to map the first name from the response of the type form. So now let's search for the first name, and here you can see I'm getting the first name which I'm going to map. Now let's map the last name from the response of the type form. So I'm going to map it, and here I'm getting my last name which I'm going to map. Now let's map the mobile number. So here I'm going to map my phone number or the mobile number as well. So here we have mapped all these fields. Now we just have to click over this save and send test request button, and here you can see We are receiving a positive response which demonstrates that our connection might be built in and a new subscriber is added to my Mailchimp account. So now let's move on towards my Mailchimp account and check it. So here you can see I'm landed to my Mailchimp account, where you can see that I'm successfully receiving the same lead which I have recently received from my type form, and we have just mapped it on our Pabbly Connect. And here you can see it's all the details such as first name, last name, email address and the phone number. So now you can see that I'm getting the same exact details which I have recently filled over my type form. So now you can also create this amazing automation for your own business too, so that you don't have to manually enter the details of your new subscriber. Now you can do it by using Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this automation, you can build many more integrations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can post it over the forums.pabbly.com. and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Connect for free now.